Oh god. So welcome back everybody to the channel. So the point of this video is I'm gonna really make this quick. And by the way, this is a Wednesday quickie for all the 9 people who watched the previous one. Sorry, it's Thursday, I know, so it's a Thursday quickie really, but the intention was there. I wanted to make it yesterday. Now, the whole point of this video is to talk about these guys. So apparently, if you didn't know, there are filters that are called diffusion filters, or you might know them as Pro Mist or Cinebloom or a bunch of fancy names, really. But really what they are is just textured glass. I've seen other YouTubers DIYing these stuff at home so they don't have to pay hundreds of dollars, and they were pretty nice. The manufacturers, like, they didn't really say it's a rip-off, but I'm going to call it a rip-off what it is, a rip-off. So if you go online and see these on Tiffen's site, or I don't know, anybody's site, really, these can easily cost you hundreds of dollars. I'm not even kidding, it's not funny. Hundreds of dollars for a piece of stained glass, because it is really just spots of stain on it. But good news is you can DIY these for $5 at home. All you need is a generic UV filter. So I got this one. This is a 49mm. I got this one with my, I can't remember actually if it was with the 28 or the 50mm lens that is on the camera right now. So I don't know exactly. I don't think it matters, but yeah, it's a 49mm generic UV filter for, I don't know, on eBay. Check it out. I guess it's $2-3 or something like that. Not a crazy price. The other thing that you're going to need is a hairspray. I'm gonna silence my phone really quick because I forget that all the time. And you don't need a branded one. A generic, non-branded one will do just fine. I think that's a couple of dollars, so add things up and you're at what, like $5-6, $8 maximum, but nowhere near it like 200 or 300 or whatever these crazy prices are. And the point is to just spray your UV filter with hairspray and then let it dry. And that's it. You've got a diffusion or a Pro Mist or whatever filter. I'm gonna show you how I did it really quick, if I can actually. So really what you need to do is just spray in the air, like so, and then collect it with the filter. Now, one thing to keep in mind, don't really spray directly on the filter, because that's just not gonna look good. It's not gonna work. I did it, it's not good. So once again, I don't know how you can see the particles, if you can see the particles at all, but trying to get the point across. And if you're wondering how these look in reality, you're seeing it right now, because I've got another one on the lens I'm filming with, which I'm going to remove so you can compare the 2 images. This is without the diffusion filter. This is a 72mm one I've got here, and I just used step-up rings to mount it on the 49mm filter thread. Jesus, it's so hard to speak today. And watch what happens if I turn on my flashlights on a phone. And now with the filter back on, can you see the little gloomy effect around the light? It's not just a spot of very bright light, it's like smoothed out over a bigger area. I think it's really nice. and you can create some atmosphere with it. And apparently that's how you do it. So I think I gotta get to work now. I'm gonna cut this video off here. But really, thank you for everybody who clicked on this video. I love you guys, and thanks for the support. If you like my content, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, because it just really helps me out a lot, and that's just the truth of it. And if you like this video, please press the like button. If you have any other ideas, tips, requests for future, requests for future Wednesday quickies, leave a comment down below, and I promise I'm gonna read it and react and all that. So yeah, cheers.